Meaning of goody.
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 Goody. The word goody is a noun that refers to something that is considered desirable or pleasing. It can also be used as an exclamation of excitement or satisfaction. The concept of goody is subjective and can vary depending on the individual. For example, a child may consider candy to be a goody, while an adult may view a luxurious vacation as a goody. Essentially, anything that brings joy or happiness can be considered a goody. In short, goody refers to something positive or enjoyable that makes one feel good.